welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back now, and if you already read the title, then you already know what we're gonna get into today. So today's video, I'm showing y'all how I did this quick weave using some beauty supply store hair. Y'all know my go-to favorite brand from the beauty supply store is the Ibiza brand. So this is the Ibiza hair in a loose wave, and I bleached it myself. It did take the bleach pretty well. I mean, I didn't curl it back up or nothing, so this is just it in its natural state after I done washed it and combed it out. So that's why the curls aren't as thick, because it is combed and blow dried out. But I'm gonna add some curls in tomorrow, and it might end up being a separate video, so stay on the lookout for that. Now, this hair was originally on a wig that I had made, a closure wig, but once I had made the wig and I tried it on, I'll try to post a picture. Once I made the wig and I tried it on, I was more so a fan of the color than I was the actual unit, because the closure was shorter than I had anticipated. I did not know that the closure was gonna stop that short, so it didn't really look right. It looked like I had a mushroom on top and then long extensions at the bottom, and that just wasn't it. And then it said it was Ibiza Loose wave for the closure, but the closure curl pattern was a little bit different than the actual bundles. So yeah, that also threw me off, and I was just like, I don't like it. So what I did was I wore the wig for a little while around the house, just to try to see if I could get myself to like it, or to see if the closure would stop bothering me that much. But long story short, clearly it didn't work out in my favor. So and because I did the glue method for the wig, all I had to do was just snatch the tracks off. So that's what I did. I snatched the tracks off, I washed them, shampooed and conditioned them, combed it out, blow dried it, and then I installed it into my head. And so this is what it's giving. I'm gonna curl it tomorrow. I mean, for a quick weave, this weave is good, it's great. I recommend it. Of course, I recommend all Ibiza hair to y'all because it's good hair and it's affordable, and 9 times out of 10 you can almost get it at any beauty supply store that you come across, well, at least in Atlanta. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for y'all. Again, I'm gonna end up posting a tutorial tomorrow on how to curl it. I'm not sure if I want to do wand curls or flat iron curls yet, but y'all will see whenever the video drop. So yeah, that's the end of this video, y'all. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I'm ready to go to eat because I did my hair right after I got off work, so I haven't really had no time to rest. So I'm about to wrap this video up. Be sure to be bold, brave, and beautiful. I love each and every one of y'all. Follow me on Instagram at forever.jazz_. Follow my business page at Urban Luxury OLB, and I will see each and every one of y'all in my next video. Peace out.